friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning, and in my catch-all, I'm giggling because of what I'm using today. In my catch-all for August 8th through the 14th, and yes, week 3 of the Tropics kit from Coffee Planner Mom, because it's amazing and I can't stop using it. I think because I know I'm gonna start wanting to use more fall things, especially after shopping that sale at Coffee Planner Mom. So I want to use all of my summery stuff while it's still summery. Even though this is the first week of school, I want to use some of the summery stuff, but we gotta do a thing. Gotta do a thing. Gotta add something, subtract something. I rarely remember to use a rescheduled sticker, so we're gonna do this one. We're not gonna talk much about it, but the PR girls know. So like, if you know, you know. We had to reschedule my mom's doctor's appointment through no fault of our own. It's now scheduled for the 15th, which means I cannot be there with her, which is fine. She will survive. Hey, but on the plus side, I still have a palm frond sticker that would go with the rest of the palm frond stickers to go there. So I guess not all is lost. Oh, it was a day, friends. Do I want to put paydays on here? I don't think so. No, I don't think so today. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. All right, but time to move on to the first week of school. So if you're new to the channel, during the school year, here's kind of how my videos go out. And we've got some video planning to do today too. Mondays are my catch-alls. Tuesday are my teacher planners. And then if I have extra stuff, it typically goes out on Wednesday or Thursday, but Wednesdays might be something different. Or no, not might. Holly, commit. All right, accountability buddies, here we go. Wednesdays are gonna be Wax Wednesdays, and I'm gonna talk more about my pink zebra business. It's a goal of mine to keep, well, hang on, let's start planning and then talk about goals. I got my sticky note, life is good, so I can get down the things that I wanna get down. It is a goal of mine this year to have a more intentional pink zebra business. And that means really focusing on it in my social media areas as well. So you're gonna hear more. You've heard about pink zebra, those of you who've been here off and on, but you're gonna hear about it more because I'm gonna try and give on YouTube Wednesdays being my kind of pink zebra days. Let's do dinners here. It's gonna be a hot mess week when it comes to dinners, but I still want to plan it out, okay? Speaking of messes, I kind of want to put my somebody come get me because I'm a mess. I've decided that that's my quote, Brittany. It's mine. I know it's yours. Like, it's like your shop, and you made the quote. But I just feel that quote deep in my bones. Okay, how do I want to do this? Because I want to put what I'm planning on filming and posting. So let's do those maybe in the bottom. Let's do social media stuff in the bottom. And we'll do now, I don't typically talk about what I'm like posting on Instagram because usually whatever I'm posting on YouTube, that's what gets posted on Instagram. I think that makes sense. And Thursday, I don't think I have anything other than like my normal pink. We're not going to do a live game this week because of it being the first week of school. So there's that. I probably could have done that funnier, but alas, commitments have been made. I could undo it, but I'm not. So we're going to put this like that. And this like that. And we'll do bigger stickers for for other things. Okay, so that would take care of those. And I'm also trying to do TikTok Tuesdays. I'm new to TikTok. I'm a little nervous about it only because as an educator and seeing my students like do in the sense of like, so let's use a bullet point for that. So I plan on filming some things and posting it. I think just social media in general as an educator is tricky. Like, it's fun, but I feel like it's tricky. So my goal is always to do something that, you know, if my students found me, they would be able to watch it. I think that makes sense. I mean, I feel like that should be the goal of everyone. So that's TikTok Tuesday. Let's make a film edit upload. I know I have the Brittany custom YouTuber scripts. By the way, I don't think I said it in this video, and I'm pretty sure I did not say it at all in my teacher plan with me. I am a PR girl for Coffee Planner Mom. If you want 15% off your order from her shop, you can use my code Holly15. Mistakes have been made. On the plus side, it's the middle of the month. Well, like the second week. So I always feel like at the beginning of the month, there's so much more to plan. I think I'll keep using the dots actually. Let's go with these warm colors. And then choose here, here, and here. Just, why not? I like that. That's fine. Let's do school stuff in the middle and then home stuff at the top. What do you say about that? I haven't done something like that in a while. School stuff in the middle. Maybe we use the more decorative-y ones. So this is first teacher day. Back to school night. I know it's not quite color blocked, but that's okay. And then that's the first day of school with students. Then after that, I don't really have anything school-wise here other than a nice big weekend banner that should probably go there. I don't have a weekend. I don't think I have any more weekend banners, so I'll have to make my own. Okay, so there's that. And then appointment-wise, I just have the 13th and the 14th. Let's, I know what I'll do. This will be, we'll go 14th. Kind of like a mirror image at the top. And there. Lots of functional things going on. But that's normal for the first week back to school. I'd like to keep things as together as possible. And then we have quotes. Oh yeah, I know what else is going on there. We can use that for that. All right, just making sure. We have all this deco. Got some deco in here. We got some quotes here. Habit trackers. I think I want to use these habit trackers this week. I didn't do a chores list. Maybe we do it up here. Can we fit you there? I don't really want to use that one. I should though. I should use that one. You know, it's not gonna hurt anything to put the chores list here. It's not. It's not gonna hurt anything. Maybe not the label box. Let's use. So that's my chores list. All right, now this is probably where I get a little bit quiet because I'm going to be doing decoration stuff. So here we go. All right, I think that's going to be it for this spread. I still have all this deco left, plus some boxes. I'm going to get to recalibrate a few things from this kit, but man, I still have a ton of stickers I can use, which is fun. And that's with 3 weeks and a monthly and a currently. Now that's because like the kit itself, I could probably get 3 weeks out of for sure. But then you also have the fact that I got the all of the things bundle when she had it. So I got all the functionals, all the everything, all of the things. So there you go. If you like this kit, like I said, you can use my code Holly15. You'll get my freebie as well as 15% off your order, which is really nice. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch y'all on the next one.